In this video, you will learn how to install Windows 11 in VirtualBox 7. This tutorial assumes you already have VirtualBox installed on your PC. If you don't, see the description below for installing VirtualBox. First, you need to go to Microsoft Download page and download Windows 11. Scroll down to the Download Windows 11 disk image and select Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO. Then click on Download. Select your language. I will select English International here. Then click on Confirm. Click on the Download button to begin the download. When the download is complete, open VirtualBox and create a new virtual machine. Click on the New button at the top menu. Put a name on this VM. Then select the ISO image of Windows 11 that we downloaded earlier. Select on the Skip Unattended Install and then click on Next. This looks good already, so we click on Next. After creating the VM, we start the VM to start installation of Windows 11. Keep in mind that you need to press Enter when you see this boot screen. After, you'll see a Windows setup screen. Set your time and currency format and keyboard or input method that'll suit you. Then click Next. Click the Install Now button. After, click I don't have a product key. Then click the Windows 11 Pro, then click Next. Now click on Accept License Terms and click on Next. We need to select Customize Type of Installation here. Then make sure that the drive 0 is selected, then click on Next. As soon as you click the button, Windows 11 starts to install itself. Once done, Windows 11 will restart itself. After restarting, Windows 11 will take you through the setup process. First, select your country and click the Yes button. Select your keyboard layout. I'll select US here. Type the computer name of your choice and click the Next button. But for now, I will skip this step, so I'm going to click on Skip for now. Choose the Set Up for Personal Use option and press Next. Microsoft wants you to use an online account with Windows 11. But you can use an offline account too. But for now, I'm going to log in with my Microsoft account for simplicity of this tutorial. On this screen, you will be asked to restore from your other device. I'm going to tell the installer that this is a new device. Create your PIN. You will use this to log into this VM. Once created, click on OK. Take a look at all the privacy options and turn off the ones you don't like. I'm leaving the defaults be because this is just a VM. Click Accept to continue. I'm going to skip this customization. Click on Only Save File to this PC since this is just a virtual machine. I'm just going to decline and skip any offers from this step and onwards. After installation, we need to install VirtualBox guest additions to maximize the display resolution of the VM. If we check in the display settings, the resolution is limited. To fix this, go to the top menu and click on Devices. And then, select Insert Guest Addition CD Image. Now open the File Explorer and go to the Drive D. Look for VBox Windows Additions file and double-click on that to begin the installation. Just select the default until you finish the installation. We need to reboot the VM for the setup to complete. Click on Finish to reboot. After restarting the VM, you can now log in. We can now change the display settings, and we can also make the VM full screen. That's all for now. If this video helped you in any way, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.